make a boss human cry because it means for tell me say
Uno.
Can't ball in a life, man.
good morning.
Good morning.
What?
Over the park.
What about the park?
You want to say, oh, make snowman.
Oh, don't have to walk. It's cold. Guys, we're living out our snow fantasies today. We are going to the park. I don't know if that's a good idea because when I hear me, I cough. I know it's a mistake. But I want to go to the park and make more snow angels and build a snowman. I'm at 5. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Ignore how I look. Alright guys, let's go transform. Get ready with me to go build a snowman. Or make snow angels or whatever my body allows me to, because I must just feel very tired right now. Kids, don't do this at home. Don't do what I do. This is the fit for today. We are severely underdressed for the weather. It is it is currently -3 degrees and feels like what? That's right. Here's make a boss human cry because it means for tell me say, is that my package? Yes it is. From the day. I haven't seen the sun in a long while. No, the one day me choose say I'm gonna come out and make snowman. The sun come out and the snow dry up. Like make a boss human cry. Is a sign still a sign that me and my 6th self should stay inside. Hey, I still can't get used to that here, you know? I'm going to change it to the other one. No, not on camera. Too much work. Guys, we're opening my packages. Maybe I should wait until all of them come. Is this all of them? I don't know. But let me open this one. Why? These are photo paper for my portable printer that somebody got me for my birthday. And oh, this is a tire for my dad. And this is hair gel to try to make this be better. And the next one, I made this album as mommy's Christmas present for it. Wait, when I post the video here? Mommy don't watch this vlog. And I made it. Kaden's journey. This is my favorite picture of Kaden that I've ever taken. That's his first Christmas. Y'all should hire me for baby photography. Anyways, I'm not showing you the whole album, but it's cute. I'm going to put the link to where I got it made somewhere here or in the bio. Hire me. Guys, get ready with me. We're going on a date. Should I change a wig or don't change a wig? And you guys also need to choose my outfit. Let's go look at the choices. Again, the mirror is still dirty. Ignore it. My problem is I don't know how to dress for the winter. But should I wear this all black fit with boots? Do I do black and white with the same boots? Do I go oversized and wear pink? I don't know. None of these are giving cute. They're all giving warm, and that's what matters. Do we go tighter jeans and some white sneakers? I don't know. I'm running out of time. I need to be ready by 7, and I feel like I might just go with this. I don't know. I give up.
And I went with the full black because I said my coat was gonna cover it anyways.
Oh yeah, give him my glasses, come on, blind. And today's stay at home activities oh my god, guys, I'm gonna start we stay home and order things online all day and come outside and pick up our packages. And in today's package is my brother's book that y'all should go buy on Amazon, link in the description below. We also cook, guys. I'm not ordering any food or DoorDash today. Maybe, hopefully not. But I'm making fried chicken and a clam over here, and I'm about to put on the rice. And over here we're cutting up the seasoning to season up what we're cooking tomorrow.
So while I wait on the rice to cook, I'm just preparing the meat for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're making brown stew again. And this is me just finding all the seasoning that I want to add to it. I probably added more than I showed you guys. I mean, season till the ancestors till it stop. And of course, I'm clumsy, so some of the onion and skillet and all that stuff fell out on the kitchen counter, not on the chicken, but we move. After that, we just have to massage the seasoning into the chicken, which is my least favorite part because I hate touching raw meat to do. And then after that, we added some browning to the chicken, and then we cover it up and put it in the fridge to marinate for the next day. And happily, we finished just in time for the food for today also be finished as well. That's it for today's video, guys. If you made it this far, leave a comment below saying something that you want to see me cook, or if you guys even enjoy the cooking videos at all. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week. Bye.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.